First, remove these 6 clips.
Remove the middle guard plate using force. Then remove the 6 clips on the left and right side guards.
Use your strength to remove the guard plate and do the same on the other side. Assemble the front trunk, align the holes and screw in the self-tapping screws. Remove the original for screws. Install the front trunk and align the holes. Reinstall the 4 screws that were removed and fix them slightly. Use the large clips in the accessory bag to fix the front trunk. There are 7 clips to be installed here. Tighten the 4 original car screws. Install the side and middle guard plates back. Install the clips on both sides of the guard plate back. Installation complete.